Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to update the vehicles registered to your permit by adding or deleting vehicles on your parking permit using the parking portal. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to manage your registered vehicles so your permit stays accurate and up to date. First, logging in. To get started, open your web browser and go to csusb.edu/parking. Once you've navigated to the Parking Services homepage, you'll want to select the Parking Portal button to the right-hand side of your page. You'll log in using your campus username and password. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the account dashboard. Next, accessing your parking permit. From this dashboard, look for the section labeled Permits from the top navigation bar. Select View Your Permits. You'll now see a list of any active permits that are assigned to you. Select the permit you want to manage. Once you're here, you can add an additional vehicle. Scroll down to the Vehicle section and select Add Vehicles to Permit. From this page, you can select from one of the pre-existing vehicles that are already registered to your profile. By selecting the vehicle, select Add Selected Vehicle. The permit now has 2 vehicles associated with it. From here, you may also choose to delete a vehicle. If you sold a car, no longer drive it, or simply don't want it associated with your parking permit anymore, you can simply delete it. A confirmation will pop up. You'll choose OK to proceed. The vehicle will now be removed from your permit immediately. But if you need to add a vehicle that is not in your pre-existing list of associated vehicles, you can still add it. Go to Add Vehicles to Permit, scroll down, select Add New Vehicle. This form will appear asking for details such as a license plate number, state, make, model, color, and year. Take a moment to double check your license plate entry. Mistyped plates are one of the most common causes of citations. Once you've filled out all the required fields, you'll select the Next button, and the vehicle will now be linked to your parking permit. The permit now has 2 vehicles associated with it. Some important reminders. Please know that even though you can register up to 2 vehicles to your permit, only 1 vehicle may be parked on campus at a time. Having both vehicles on campus simultaneously may result in a costly citation, so be sure the vehicle you are driving that day is the one linked and active in your parking portal. And that's it. You've just learned how to update the vehicles in your parking permit. Remember, you have access to this parking portal 24/7 to make any changes as needed. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to contact Parking Services for assistance. Thanks for watching and drive safely.